Hi gorgeous, guess what? We are going through lashes today. I'm pretty sure now, maybe this is the last drawer that we are decluttering makeup wise, so let's do it. Let me show you what the drawer looks like. So it is the top drawer, and as you can see, this bad boy is full of daggum lashes. So let's transfer her to a bucket and get to decluttering. All right, lashes, let's get down to it. First of all, if you know of a company, or maybe it's on Amazon, where there's like a lash book or like a lash holder, where like a lash book as in a big, just where you can store a lot of lashes, because each of these having their own individual box is just not cutting it for me. If there's a big lash storage container that's not like ginormous or bulky, like, let me know. Okay, let's go into this. This is a lash case, but obviously it's not big enough for myself. Oh my gosh, look at how silly. You can tell where I cut the ends off these, and now they look horrendous. Look at that. OMG. These haven't worn in forever. Those are cute though. I'm gonna give this away. Lily Lashes. Hey girl. Lily Lashes icon. These, I don't even think these have been worn. Super pretty though for like a glam night or something. I'm gonna keep these. A lot of these haven't even been broken out of their little shell. They're really, really pretty though. I'm gonna keep these. I bought so many pairs of these. Let's see, let's see how many I have. Collect. Here's another one that's not even out of the package yet. Look, there's 3. I think there's one more hanging around somewhere. I don't know. We will find. Let's go ahead and put these 2 in the giveaway, because I don't need all of those. Especially now that I'm on Kiss's PR list, because I have lashes galore. Swanky, this cute little moment. I will keep one and give one away. Boom, really making progress here. Lash cutters that I have not yet used. Great, we'll keep these in hopes that I will use them. No, I'm sure they will come in handy one day. Beautiful. This is Kiss. These are nice and big, yet wispy. Keep these. Sephora collection. Quill. These are pretty, but you know what? I've got so many of these. I will get rid of this one. It's really pretty though. Lily Lashes. Hi. These looks like I've worn them maybe once. Let's see. I will get rid of these. Also going to get rid of these. House of Lashes. We love House of Lashes. These are some bold lashes. I'm going to get rid of these. Lily Lashes. Brush on lash adhesive. I will keep these. The Kiss Lashes. These look like a whole hot mess. They need to go in the trash. Not because they weren't pretty, but because I have used them multiple times. Oh, I loved these. I love the crisscross pattern on them. So gorgeous. You know, I'm gonna keep these. I wear those a lot. These are nice because they're so thin. The lashes are so thin. We're gonna keep these. Iconic light. I'll toss these. This is from, who made these? Oh, these are Lily Lashes. Uh-oh. Stuck on. I'll keep those. These are big and beautiful and bold, and I really like them. I remember wearing those. These are Kiss Lashes. I've worn these a lot. I like these. These are like a go-to pair. I'm keeping these. 3D Mink from Lily Lashes. Wow. I will give these to someone who enjoys a lot of lash. Boy, these are some thick lashes. I will, you know, I'm gonna keep these. These are from the Muse collection from Kiss Lashes. Sire, yeah, these are big and bold and gorge. Let's see. D-Star lashes. Oh my gosh, I remember buying these. I absolutely remember. And I'm gonna give these away. This is the Sephora collection. You know what? I think I will give these away. Another Sephora collection. These I love. We're gonna keep these. House of Lashes. I like that these are, you know, spiky, but also lighter, not so bold in the middle there. I'm gonna keep these. These, Obsessed. Bold, but not too bold. These are gorge. Look at the little Morphe moment. We love a good Morphe moment, and we're gonna let somebody else enjoy these. Natalia, she is old. She is tired. We're giving Natalia. She's gotta go in the trash. Oh my gosh, look at these. How funny. Well, these are going in the trash right now. Okay, what is next? Irresistible. These are cute. Nice, lighter, but yet bold. Keep. Let's see what Anastasia's got going on. Oh, this is House of Lashes. I'm so sorry. This is Anastasia. And looks like I'm going to keep both of these. Gorge. This is House of Lashes as well. Oh, with Patrick Ta. Yes. Oh, keeping these. Wow, these are absolute drama. And someone else can handle that drama. Irresistible. I have one of these, don't I? I think I saved one. Did I? Well, I guess not. We're gonna keep this one. House of Lashes. These I will give away. These are really pretty. I'm gonna keep that. Yeah, I can tell I put them in backwards, but these are really pretty. Nice and fluttery. We love a Huda Beauty lash moment. Look at how fluttery these are. Like, these are so pretty. Keeping. Last but not least, we have Anastasia. These will hit your forehead. Wow. I'm gonna put these in the giveaway pile. An empty bucket. Well, that is a huge difference. Look, there's actually space to freaking close the drawer. Wow, it makes me so happy. Another drawer down. I am so excited that beauty-wise, all the drawers have been gone through. We have decluttered them. Like, that is huge for the program. Next, we have to tackle the vanity, which is going to be a whole nother program, but we can do it. So I will see you next time in the next video. Bye.